Imagine a world where woolly mammoths roam the Arctic tundra once more. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's a real possibility scientists are actively pursuing. But as we edge closer to this reality, we must ask, should we bring back the woolly mammoth? The concept of de-extinction, resurrecting extinct species, has transitioned from the realm of science fiction to tangible scientific endeavor. At the forefront of this movement is Colossal Biosciences, a biotech company co-founded by Harvard geneticist George Church. Their ambitious goal to bring back the woolly mammoth, an iconic species that vanished thousands of years ago. But how close are we to achieving this, and what are the implications? Colossal Biosciences is utilizing CRISPR gene editing technology to splice mammoth genes into the DNA of Asian elephants, their closest living relatives. By identifying and editing specific genes responsible for traits like thick hair and cold resistance, scientists aim to create a hybrid creature that embodies the characteristics of the woolly mammoth. A significant milestone in this endeavor was the creation of woolly mice, genetically modified mice exhibiting mammoth-like traits such as dense, curly hair and enhanced cold tolerance. These advancements suggest that producing mammoth-like embryos could be feasible in the near future. Colossal aims to produce such embryos by next year and anticipates the birth of the first calves by 2028. While the scientific progress is remarkable, it raises profound ethical questions. Is it morally justifiable to resurrect a species that has been extinct for millennia? Critics argue that de-extinction efforts might divert resources from conserving endangered species currently facing extinction. Moreover, the welfare of the engineered animals is a concern. Creating hybrid creatures may lead to unforeseen health issues and suffering. There's also the question of whether these animals would be truly mammoths, or merely approximations lacking the full essence of the original species. Proponents of de-extinction suggest that reintroducing woolly mammoths could help restore Arctic ecosystems by promoting grassland growth and combating climate change through the suppression of tree growth and the maintenance of permafrost. However, the current Arctic environment has changed significantly since the mammoth's extinction. Introducing a large herbivore into modern ecosystems could have unpredictable effects, potentially disrupting existing wildlife and habitats. Despite the controversies, the technologies developed through de-extinction research have potential benefits. Advancements in gene editing and reproductive technologies could aid in conserving endangered species by enhancing genetic diversity and resilience. For instance, artificial wombs being developed for mammoth gestation might one day assist in breeding programs for species with declining populations. Furthermore, the public interest generated by de-extinction projects could raise awareness and funding for broader conservation efforts. The quest to bring back the woolly mammoth is a testament to human ingenuity and the rapid advancement of biotechnology. While the scientific milestones achieved are impressive, they compel us to reflect on the ethical, ecological, and practical implications of such endeavors. As we stand on the brink of potentially resurrecting extinct species, we must carefully weigh the benefits against the risks and moral considerations. What are your thoughts on de-extinction? Do the potential ecological and scientific benefits outweigh the ethical concerns? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you found this exploration insightful, like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the intersection of science and ethics.